Happy day, everyone! According to Ellen White, one of my favorite authors, in her book Heaven, page 74, paragraph 2, Jesus took the nature of humanity in order to reveal to men a pure, unselfish love, to teach us how to love one another. And I am reminded once again on how God works miraculously in this vast domain. For in 6 days, God created the heavens and the earth. On the first day, He created the light. On the second day, He created the firmament. On the third day, He created a vegetation. On the fourth day, created the sun, moon, and stars. On the fifth day, He created the birds and fishes. And on the sixth day, God created the animals and humans. See, God works miraculously in nature. For nature speaks or reveals how God's love to us is so abundant and so wonderful. Let us always take good care of the nature because we are steward of His creation. And today, let us explore the beauty of Recto Ferrol Romblon here. Let us see how God works in nature. Let us always be thankful, for in nature we can see God's everlasting love to us. Let us always embrace God's abundant blessings to us, and let us stay connected to His love, and let us remember that Christ died for us that we may live.